Meaning of ill-fated.
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 Ill-fated. Ill-fated is an adjective used to describe something that has an unfortunate or unlucky outcome. It can refer to people, events, or situations that are marked by misfortune or disaster. When something or someone is described as ill-fated, it suggests a sense of inevitability about the negative outcome. It implies that despite any efforts or intentions, the end result was always going to be unfavorable. Ill-fated events or situations often evoke feelings of sadness, disappointment, and regret, as they represent missed opportunities or loss due to factors beyond our control.